Got a call a couple days ago on a Mazda 3. As always, I've done these, just that I haven't been able to get one on camera. Well, I got one on camera. As we all know, I'm going to press a button on the remote and it's going to start. As so. Lights came on and we're getting busy, and there it is. Mazda 3, Mazda 6, pretty much the same car. Mazda 6 is just a little bit bigger. Alright. We're not going to make this long because I'm finna head home to Shreveport. Got much more work to do out there, and I got to see my kids, I got to see my wife. So, I'm going to hit this button, and it turns off. There's no surprise. That's how I get down. So, there it is. Mazda 3 on camera. And you know what it is. I'm on the highway. Auto Pressure UN Ltd. We out.